I just got a call from my Mary's dispatch to say that I have a gift for you from Ekene Umenwa. So get in a So I opened this, and this is the one that caught my attention most. Ekene, the fact that you know that I have a baby boy and you gave me a pink, that means you're wishing me an adada, and I receive in triple folds. You know, I receive it abundantly in the mighty name of Jesus. I am keeping this. This is the first gift for my dad from Ekene Umenwa. This is not for King Granny, obviously. So I'm keeping this. Ekene, thank you so much. As you have wished me, I have received. So, we're going to pink bag. Where will you pink bag? Where the delivery? Where will you pink bag? Oh, Ekene. God bless you. Eki and Ekene, Mommy Ekene, God bless you so much. What is sweet papers for these gifts? Is this pink package? That is the sweetest part of this gift. Everything is giving pink. Everything is giving I wish you another, and I receive. Thank you so much for this gift. Thank you, baby. Ave Maria. That's what I say. Come. Come and say Ave. When I say Ave, you say Maria. Ave.
Wow, this is so beautiful. Wow, I love what I'm seeing here. You know, last time Ekene Umenwa posted what Amarachi sent to her. Massive gift she sent to her. So now Ekene Umenwa has sent her own to Amarachi. In fact, I love the kind of love these people share. This is how Nollywood is supposed to be. Not always boss. You know, I wish you people will continue with this, your love, Destiny Etiko, Ruby Ojako, Amarachi, Ekene Umenwa, Chioma, all of you. I wish you continue this way. You know, that's how it's supposed to be. I love this. Wow. Congratulations, dear. Hey, she said she sent her pink jet. Yeah, she's wishing you well. You have your son already. So, baby, the one that is coming out will be a baby girl for you to prepare. Ekene is so funny. She sent you baby girl stuffs and also packet it with pink packets. Hey, it's a very good wish. So, congratulations in advance for your coming baby girl. Hey. Well, I love what I'm seeing, my people. Thanks for watching this video. It's good to show love. It's good to show love among the people, among your friends, you know. If you're in a circle of good friends, just enjoy it. It's very good. Not in a circle of friends that do buzz. You know, they will bring your privacy in the social media and open it more for everybody to see. That is not the kind of friend you wish yourself. But this kind of friend, I pray you continue this way. Please. Thanks for watching this video, my people. Bye.